You filming?
Okay, I don't know, I hope this works. Good job. Did you get scissors?
No, we haven't got any. Got a knife?
No, that's good.
Does it not work?
I don't know. Hi, how's the I think I need more sugar.
More sugar.
It's kind of worked.
That looks cool.
Okay, that'll do. It kind of looks a bit fucked though. The glass is broken.
Sounds funny.
We should never be like bartenders or anything. Stay up. Right. Do you have shot glasses?
No.
Okay. I'm excited. It's gonna be really good. We really need shot glasses. Is that enough?
Yeah. I know. What's Tia doing?
Yeah. Stop fizzing. I just call it like Valix. Valix is cool.
That is well cool and pink.
Yeah?
It's really pink.
No, it's really cool. Orange juice. Fucking.
Wow. Tia's distracted when she did something in the corner of my eye.
That looks pretty fucking good. It looks really good. Look at it.
Oh wow.
Okay, just try it.
Yeah, milk goes off on the 7th of January.
Huh?
Milk goes off on the 7th of January.
That's nice. Can we even drink through these?
I think we've got a problem. Oh,
These cut up.
we don't have scissors.
Oh.
Mum!
That's really good.
Do you have any scissors? Got a pizza cutter? It might work.
How can you not have scissors?
Get the
Got it.
toast.
Let's do this.
I love you. Yeah.
Ah! What the hell is this straw made out of? Okay, it's not sharp enough. We should have just got the little straws. Instead of being awkward.
I know, but the big ones look cooler.
They do.
What the hell is that? Why would you even have that in a kitchen drawer?
What does it do? What is it?
It looks very interesting.
Okay. Oh,
Is it amazing?
That is just a bit fucking amazing. That's really good.
My straw's a bit long.
It's really, really good.
Ooh.
Food is the best drinks ever, Vicky. These are amazing. Oh, so good. I'm really happy about this.
Oh man.
It's good shit, isn't it?
I think we should give our recipe away.
What? No, it's secret.
No, but it's so good.
It's secret. Everyone's like, try drinks, what's in it? Oh, no. The straw!
Ah. That's alright. Got more.
You got too many. You got too much.
Let's go. Bye.